Hi, I'm The Snob, a celebrity hair artist, and in this episode, I'm going to be showing you guys the hacks and hairstyles to get your hair from 0 to 100. So this look is a little bit different. We're going to have a crimped bob, and this is perfect for summer. So we're going to put some heat protector on, just to avoid the hair from burning. I'm just going to straighten through the hair. You want it on a mid-heat, and I have it on 185 at the moment. And the reason being is we don't want the colour of the hair to change. As it's a coloured wig, you don't want it to be too hot when you're straightening. Good to go. I've got the parting done. So with the back, it doesn't really matter about the number of crimps or waves because it's always hidden, especially with a bob. So I'm just gonna do one big crimp for the back and hold it for a few minutes. So you want to make sure that the crimpers are facing the direction you want your hair to fall, or you're going to end up having like spiky, crimpy hair. Now I'm just going to spray some spritz at the top. So we use a wide tooth comb because we don't want to take out all that hard work that we've just done. And then you get some serum in the palm of your hand, rub it, let it be a bit warm, and just run it through the hair so we can just get that gloss as well as an ease. So now that I've brushed out the crimps and put the serum in, I'm going to now start styling the hair. So now, as you can see, I've done the mid parting. I'm just going to use a little toothbrush and slick this bit down. And then you just get your mini hair straighteners. So this is the final look. This is perfect for like a festival, concert. I would recommend a block color. It just looks so nice. People do black, but for something fun, like you're going out, I would recommend a block color. It just looks fabulous. Thank you for watching this episode of Secrets of the Celebrity Hairstylist with me, The Snob. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more videos like this in this series on 49 Looks.